running. Yeah! Today on Vato Local 256, we got two things. We got a little, looks like about 100cc little four-wheeler. For an amount of work, I like to call the Reboot Master. And it's a no start. It's been sitting up a year, just quit running. I was at his house the other day, figured we'd bring it home, work on it. It's for his boy. I still want it. Then we have portable 800-watt generator. That's my, of course, you know it, mom-in-law's. Quit running on her, and they did some work on the car. It leaks. That's all I know. It leaks fuel, something, blah, blah, but we'll get it going. So let's get started on this first, so we can find, because I really want to test drive this. I really like it. I have no idea about this. All right, I see wars. It's electric start. I'm sure the battery's in here somewhere. I see a box down here. Looks like it's, I see a little lever. There we go. Oh, I got a little battery. All right, we're going to jump this thing off and see what we get. Get my jump box. It's hard to get these little things in there. All right. All I see is a brake, throttle. Looks like rear brake right there. There's a key. See if it's got gas. We'll just see how it spins over first. So on. Oh, helps if I turn the battery on. Let's see what kind of powers we got. Got some. Mm. All right. Hell, nothing. I'm gonna stick my meter on the cables themselves and make sure they got power leaving the battery. Where's my meter? And just because you put power, you got a good battery and all that good stuff, that doesn't mean it's leaving. You got to check it at the cables. That's on auto. Check it on the cables themselves. Everything's nice and clean. Yeah, I got 12.6 volts leaving. And that's if I'm hitting the right button. And I'm not used to something that's got everything on it. Maybe I got to hold the brake down. There we go. Yeah, I got to hold the brake down. Thank you, cars and cameras. I never knew that. It's got good compression and all that. See if it's got 4. Yeah, I'm gonna have to strap that. I'm gonna put some wire on that. Yeah, that wore. That's spelled W-O-R-E. Wore. Threw you off. That's wore. All right, let's see if it bumps. Yeah, it does. All right, let's get a screwdriver. And it looks like the ignition, that looks off and that looks on. So we'll test it both directions to make sure. It's an old school spark tester. Get your ground going. That in there. Gonna get zapped. Yep, just got fired. You hear it snapping. Yep, it's got fire. So that's a relief because, you know, we don't have to mess with all the other gujos and gadgets. So it's fuel related or mechanical timing. So let's get in there and let me yank that plug out. And now we're gonna leave the plug in for just a minute. We're gonna go to the carburetor. We're gonna squirt some go-go juice in there. Carburetor is like right there. See if I can find the induction. Some little induction right there. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Turn it off, save that 9-volt. Oh, all right. Yep. Go ahead and take that boot off so I have direct access to the throat. Where is that? Oh, it's all over there. Oh. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Kinda. Let's roll her on down right there. We go. Now, hopefully, y'all can see it. Got some kind of air filter. It's just a foam, blah blah, replaceable. Ain't got many hours on it because that is clean in there. You can see how clean that is. Well, let's just say might have some hours on it, but it sure hasn't been really out on the road. I mean, in the fields. Well, wide open. Not at my speed. A little go-go juice in there. Yep. That was too easy. It's got plenty of fuel in it. Shoot a little more down in there. There we go. It's wide open. Wide open. So yeah, it's just not getting any fuel. So let's just make sure something's coming out down there. Alright, let's see if I can get that line off. It's being a bugger. There we go. Yep, fuel is coming out. Let me get some more finger. Smells good. Should run on that. Alright, I guess I'm gonna take that carb off. Y'all finish training. Get your business over with. No, I didn't pull nothing off that. I don't think so. Fuel? No, so that's got a hole in it. So is that an air bleed that's supposed to go somewhere? That's impressive. No, I'm sorry. It was got a hole right there like it's an air bleed, and there's nothing that was on there, so I don't know what to tell you. That one. Not yet. Y'all gonna hear some noise. One slot. Two slot. Mm-hmm. No, it's nice and clean in there. The jet looks clean. Let's pull it apart and look for sure. Yeah. Got a little trash on the side. And that's wide open. Pull this one apart. I didn't look in here because if this is a jet down in there, it's completely plugged right there. I'm gonna get my light. Well, I got my light out, and I can't tell if there's a hole that's supposed to go all the way through there or not. I mean, if the jet orifice is this and comes out there, I'll have to look. I think I got some of these new that when I jetted my other one. I mean, that would sure answer a lot if that is the case. And this is 31. Let me go get my other kit. Let me just look. I can blow through that, and there is a small hole. I can see it. So, got my little kit here. We'll see if I got one that'll work. Come on now. There we go. Because these absolutely are tiny. And I don't think I can get it down in there either way. kit out here. Yeah, that one went all the way through. So it was plugged, best that I can tell. I can blow through it now. You go next size up. No. Now this size. Shut the gates on that. There we go. Check my phone, make sure ain't no messages from work. Nope. All right, let's go ahead and jam this puppy back in. It should be enough in there. One would think it would be warm enough to start. There you go, Jared. Sorry, camera was a little off. Y'all heard it live. That jet was just plugged up. It's really, 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 really tiny. Like less than half a millimeter. It's like 0.12 millimeter. See, and I started with no choke. Oh yeah, she's a hoss daddy. All right, I'm gonna slap this thing back together and we're gonna ride it. I can't wait. Come on, you can do it. Okay, boy, yeah. Get some running. Yeah. I think I got some Z's in her. What you doing? Rocking foot. Rock. Gotta rock. What's that snail? What is that? It's a snail. Live. Well, runs great, starts great. The start better, you know, if it had a new battery. I'm gonna put it on the charger and we're gonna try, but I don't think there's any hope. I think this deserves its own little video because it was for a buddy, and this is doing it for him and his boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here, and we'll make a separate video on the generator, that little miniature 800 watt generator. But hope you like what you saw. It's a simple fix. Sometimes you get some of these pretty cheap. I think these run like $300 to $500, brand spanking new. It is a Tao-Tao special, but it's still good. You should better get one of these pretty cheap. And this one's in excellent shape. And it was just a clogged jet in the carburetor is all she was. But please like, subscribe, share, and y'all have a blessed weekend. God bless. I want it. I really want it. This thing is fun. Oh. Okay. Igniter fell off. Premium construction.